What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We have some special surprises for you guys out for today. So big shout out to AM Offroading for helping us out for today's video. We actually got something really cool for the Jeep. Real big thanks to them. We actually got some new taillights, smoked out taillights, and I'm really excited to show you guys that. And pretty much we're gonna do a quick install of how it goes. Pretty straightforward. If you guys haven't seen our previous video, we installed taillight guards, which are gonna be a link down below, so check that out as well. It's pretty straightforward on doing the taillight, so we're gonna walk you through it and just to show you guys how it works. If you guys are interested in the taillight below that we installed today, it's gonna be linked down below, so check that out. Alright, so before we get to the package, I want to show you guys, we got black on black nation. So we got the black race car with black on wheels, the black X5 on black wheels, got the Jeep on black wheels, we got the Accord blacked out on black wheels. So we got the black nation going on here. So and today, what we're doing is the taillights. Taillights are super easy, super cool, really cool mod and upgrade to the car. So we have the taillights here where we did the taillight guard upgrade. So now we're actually smoking out because we want this murdered out. So we want to do smoked out taillights. So it's pretty straightforward on what to do. So when you're inside the car, this is where the taillight is, and there's gonna be like a little cap on both ends, one over here and the other one right over here. So basically what we're gonna do is grab like a little pry tool, we're gonna pop that open. So let me go grab some tools, I'm gonna get that squared away. So before we get started, I wanna show you guys the new taillights that we got from AM Offroading. These are really cool, really smoked out lenses, and this is what they look like. And ooh, man, that looks really clean. A lot better than the factory ones. So the factory ones are like halogens. These are all LEDs. This one's gonna look really good. And these are legal, so we don't have to worry about that. These are all factory fitment, and should work with our taillight upgrade. So let's get to it. Alright, so this is the new upgraded taillight, and we have our factory taillight right over here. So it's gonna look badass with the new taillight guards on the new taillights. So I'm really excited for that, and I can't wait to show you guys. Alright, so first thing first, we're going to be working on the driver's side taillight. So the way we do that, of course, open up the trunk. You are going to see like this little piece right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to stick our little flathead in here and just kind of pry this baby out, and it'll just pop out like that. So to remove the taillight is actually very, very simple and easy. I really like how the Jeep did this. Basically, it's a 10 mil, which is gonna be right over here, or you can use a Phillips screwdriver. Actually not Phillips, actually it's gonna be a torque bit. So we're just gonna do a 10 mil, nice and easy. It is plastic, so you don't wanna go too crazy and strip it. So once we get that 10 mil out, the taillight assembly will just pop right out. So this is a 10 mil, and again it is a torque bit as well. So we just use a 10 mil, and this is what the actual screw looks like. From there, that's pretty much what we have to do to remove from here. Alright, so once we remove that 10 mil screw, basic taillight assembly just comes out just like that. We're gonna have one harness that's gonna be holding everything in. So we're just going to disconnect this part. Alright, so basically to remove the harness, this red piece was going to be pushed in as it's connected. So you basically pull this back and then push on the black piece, and then it'll separate from the harness itself. So now we got this removed, we're just going to move this harness out of the way, and then so that way we can actually take apart the tail light. Alright, so basically we're going to put on the tail guard on later, but basically this is going to be just a simple plug and play system, and just gonna snap on just like that. Right now we're just gonna throw this inside of here in the meantime, so that way we can show you guys, and then we're gonna clean this up a little bit later. But that looks amazing, smoked out and everything. So now let's turn on the car and actually show you guys. So this is in its normal view whenever you have your taillights on. If you go ahead and press the brake, that's the brake. Whenever you press brake, go ahead and throw on your blinker. That's the left blinker right over here. And go ahead and turn on the reverse, and that's the reverse. These taillight looks amazing, especially how it is smoked out with the taillight guards. It's gonna look badass. Cannot wait to get this fully installed on the other side. As you guys saw, we installed one of the taillights, and again the other taillight is exactly the same process, so you really won't have an issue with that. But that's basically it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and big thank you for AM Offroading for sending out these taillights. And again, the link is gonna be down below, so please check that out. Again, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Mahul. We do some pretty cool car stuff. Again, if you haven't already, smash the subscribe button, like the videos, and remember, live your dreams. Catch you guys next video. Peace.